In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a calculated value to a schedule. We'll start inside your project with the schedule you want to work on. In the project browser, find the schedule by expanding the schedules section and opening the one you need. This brings up a tabular view of your elements, which is perfect for creating on-the-fly calculations without exporting to a spreadsheet. Make sure you're looking at the actual schedule view and not a sheet that just contains it, so you have access to all the editing tools. With the schedule open, look to the ribbon at the top and click the Edit button. If you prefer, you can also right-click in the schedule and choose Properties. Either option opens the Schedule Properties dialog, which is where we'll set up the new calculation. Inside that dialog, go to the Fields tab. This tab controls which columns appear in your schedule. To create a new calculation, click Add Calculated Value. This opens a small form where you define exactly what your new column will do. Give your calculated value a clear, recognizable name. For example, total cost is a good choice if you're multiplying an area by a unit rate. Pick something descriptive so anyone reading the schedule understands what the column represents at a glance. Next, choose the type for the result. This is important because it tells the software how to treat the output. If you're working with money, choose currency. If you're counting or creating a ratio, choose number. If the calculation yields a measurement, pick the appropriate unit like area. Matching the type to the expected result helps prevent unit conflicts and formatting issues. Now build the formula using fields that already exist in your schedule. You can insert fields directly from the list and combine them with standard operators. For example, to calculate total cost by area, multiply area by cost per M2. Use parentheses if needed for clarity, and make sure the fields you reference are actually part of your schedule so the formula can evaluate correctly. If the units don't align, adjust the type or the input fields to keep everything consistent. When you're satisfied, click OK. Your new calculated column appears instantly in the schedule, filled row by row based on your formula. If you see a warning or unexpected values, revisit the type or formula to correct any mismatches. And that's it. You've added a calculated value to your schedule, making it more informative and saving time on manual calculations.